Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common and frustrating issue in PySpark, the dreaded Java gateway process exited before sending the driver its port number exception. This error can stop your PySpark jobs in their tracks. We'll explore what causes this error and how to fix it. Let's get started. This error usually indicates a problem with the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, that PySpark uses to communicate with its Java backend. Several factors can trigger this, so troubleshooting requires a systematic approach. First, check your Java installation. PySpark needs a compatible version of Java installed and properly configured. Make sure you have Java 8 or Java 11 installed. These are the most commonly supported versions. Verify that the Java_home environment variable is set correctly. This variable tells PySpark where to find your Java installation. An incorrect or missing Java_home is a frequent cause. You can set this variable in your system's environment settings or directly in your PySpark script using os.environ, Java_home =path/ to /your /java/ installation. Replace /path/ to /your /java/ installation with the actual path to your Java directory. Next, examine your Spark configuration. Incorrect Spark settings can also lead to this error. Pay close attention to the spark.driver.memory and spark.executor.memory properties. If these are set too high, your system might not have enough resources, causing the JVM to crash. Try reducing these values. Start with smaller amounts and gradually increase them until you find the optimal settings for your workload. Another configuration parameter to consider is spark.driver.extra options. This allows you to pass additional options to the JVM. Sometimes, specific settings related to memory management or garbage collection can resolve the issue. For example, you might try setting XX plus use G1GC to enable the garbage-first garbage collector. Furthermore, consider your environment and dependencies. Conflicts between different versions of libraries can sometimes trigger this error. Ensure that your PySpark and Java versions are compatible. Also, check for any conflicting JAR files in your Spark class path. Simplify your environment as much as possible to isolate the problem. Creating a virtual environment can help manage dependencies and prevent conflicts. Check your network configuration if running in a cluster. Ensure proper communication between the driver and executors. Firewall settings or network issues can prevent the Java gateway from establishing a connection. Restarting the cluster or checking the network connectivity might resolve the issue. Finally, analyze the Spark logs for clues. The logs often contain detailed error messages that can pinpoint the root cause of the problem. Look for any exceptions or warnings related to the JVM or Java gateway. These logs are your best friend for debugging. Remember to carefully review your Java installation, Spark configuration, environment dependencies, and network settings. Systematic troubleshooting, combined with log analysis, will help you diagnose and resolve the Java gateway process exited error in PySpark. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by buying me a coffee. Every little bit helps us create more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you have other PySpark problems you'd like me to cover.